Today I'm going to share with you on how to attach a YouTube video in an assignment. YouTube videos are a great way to introduce content to visual learners, as we know. I am going to add an assignment about the atomic bomb. In the bottom right hand corner, select Create Assignment. We're going to type in the assignment name. It's going to be Reflection Atomic Bomb Blast at Hiroshima. And then we'll give instructions. After the video, please share 3 facts you found interesting. Now we're going to attach the link of the video that we want them to watch. So select the new YouTube symbol. Now we're going to enter the atomic bomb blast at Hiroshima and press select. Now we're going to assign a due date at June 1st. And then we're going to go ahead and post the assignment. And that's how you assign a YouTube video to Google Classroom.